Okay, I'm going to show you a trick about how to get rid of that black bar that's at the bottom when you present a Google Slide document. So watch, when I click present on this black bar is at the bottom. And the reason it's problematic is sometimes it is covering up something that you want to see. Also, when it's used on a mobile device, it often hides more than you want. So, as an example, when I click here on Anatomy Resources on a mobile device, this bar is over, so you actually can't click on the home screen any longer. All right, so it can be a little bit annoying. Also, especially if it's hiding content. So I'm going to escape from the presentation view and show you how to change that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is delete everything at the end of this web address that starts with the word edit. So I'm going to delete that whole thing right there. Okay, and I'm going to add. Okay, and what I'm going to add is this. So there was the slash. After the slash, it said edit and a bunch of stuff. What I want to do is delete that and add preview question mark RM equals minimal. Okay, and I'm going to hit enter to go to that um, link. And notice, same exact thing. All that's different is that black bar at the bottom is no longer there interfering with the presentation. So when I click on Anatomy Resources, I have no black bar interfering, easily I can navigate home. Again, this is very simple trick and removes that black bar from presentation. So it's helpful in class, but also in this particular situation, I want this easily accessible on mobile devices.